Addressing some breaking news coming in ahead of the Centre Farmer Talks scheduled to take place tomorrow, Union Minister of State for Panchayati Raj, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Purushottam Rupala, has slammed the centre over the farm laws. He said, and I quote, "If discussions were held with farmers directly, we would have reached to a solution." My colleague Piyush is on the phone lines with us. Piyush, we're getting breaking developments coming in. The Union Minister of State for Panchayati Raj, Agriculture and Farmer Welfare has gone ahead and slammed the 3 farm laws. He's also gone over and said that if we discussed the farm laws with the farmers, we could have reached a mid-consensus. What he's actually trying to say is that the meetings that have taken place with the farmer unions have yielded inconclusive, but if the meetings were slated with the farmers, they could have reached a middle ground. The latest developments that you are picking up with this. We're trying to get my colleague Piyush to give us some more clarity on this story. What we are picking up at the top of 7:30 a.m. is that Union Minister for State of Panchayati Raj, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has slammed the 3 farm laws. Piyush, if you could hear me.
Yes, absolutely. That's a statement coming from MOH Agriculture, Purushottam Rupala, where he's now coming out and saying that had the discussions would have happened with farmers directly, we would have reached to solutions. The point here he's raising that the discussions with farmers directly did not take place. There are some people, leaders who are now involved in this, and it has not become a leader. It has not become a difficult. He's also adding about the fact that there could have been early solution had the discussions were held with farmers directly, because there are people from different ideologies those have now entered into the protest, and they are now wanting solution in their own way, because he's now somewhere indicating towards the kind of politics which is being played, because we had seen that how a leader from one of the farmer union leaders, he was alleged to have been holding meetings with political parties also. So he is now coming out and saying that had the discussions with farmers would have happened directly, instead of talking to these leaders, there could have been solution, or people would have understood as of now about the farm laws. He's also adding about the fact that both the sides now want a solution, but there are some different point of views, hence it is taking more time. So indeed the solution will emerge, but he's also adding about the fact that had the discussions would have directly happened with farmers, both the sides would have reached to solutions by now.
Right, Piyush, 55 days of the farmers' protest. Now today is day 1 of the Supreme Court panel to hold its first meeting with the farmers also.
Well, it's important to understand that the Supreme Court appointed committee is not going to hold meeting with farmers. They are going to hold meeting among themselves, and then only after that they will be holding meeting with farmers. In fact, the government is going to hold meeting with farmers, and today it's the 10th round of meeting with farmers at 12 p.m. at Vigyan Bhavan. So these are the developments we are picking, and at 12 p.m. meeting will take place at Vigyan Bhavan, and at around 10 likely at Pusa Institute, the members of committee appointed by Supreme Court, they will be meeting among themselves, and after that they will be deciding further course of action.
Right, many thanks, Piyush, for joining us at 7:30 a.m. and providing us with the latest updates coming in. What we have learned so far is Union Minister for State and Panchayati Raj, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Purushottam Rupala, has gone ahead and slammed the 3 farm laws.